Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to a Windows 11 PC. Whether you are using wireless earbuds or over-ear Bluetooth headphones, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, make sure your Bluetooth headphones are turned on and set to pairing mode. Most headphones enter pairing mode when you press and hold the power button for a few seconds. You may see a blinking LED lights. Now on your Windows 11 PC, click on the start button, then select settings, then select Bluetooth and devices in the left sidebar. On the right, you ensure you have turned on this one Bluetooth toggle switch. After that, click on the add device button. Now click on Bluetooth. Now Windows will search for all available Bluetooth nearby you. Click on your Bluetooth device you want to connect. Now your Bluetooth headphones are successfully connected to your Windows 11 PC. That's it. You can now enjoy wireless audio on your Windows 11 computer. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more and more Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.